Hey, what's up guys? The Redmi K30 is launching officially on December 10th, which is 2 days from now, and there is hardly anything left about the phone to know. I will tell you everything you want to know in this video, so stick till the end and give a thumbs up and comment what is the best feature of Redmi K30. So without further ado, let's begin. The Redmi K30 will obviously get glass sandwich design, but this time the phone will be thinner. This is due to not using a pop-up selfie camera, rather a punch hole for selfies. On the back there will be quad camera setup, and down there it will get 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port, mic and a 1217 Ultra linear speakers. The display will be 6.67-inch LCD display with slim bezels. Additionally, the screen is also supposed to feature 120Hz refresh rate as well, which is much faster than the 60Hz panel on the Redmi K20. Hence, the deep blacks of the AMOLED panel will be traded with smoother animations and transitions. The fingerprint scanner is situated on the sides, and I actually like the side mounted fingerprint scanner rather than on the back. Which one do you prefer? The Redmi K30 is said to come in two variants, one with 4G and another with 5G. The only prime difference between these two variants will be the processor, rest will remain the same. The 5G variant will use Snapdragon 765G, which is a gaming version of Snapdragon 765. It comes along with a whole range of other features and improvements as well. The Snapdragon 765G comes with the Snapdragon X52 5G modem and offers up to 36% improvement in graphical performance over the Snapdragon 730G. But you might be having a question, Snapdragon 765G supports both 4G as well as 5G, then why not use the same SoC? When 5G network comes to India, we can switch over to that. And this is a valid question, and the simple explanation to that is the price. The 4G variant will be cheaper alternative. Chances are that this variant will be powered by Snapdragon 730G chipset. The Snapdragon 730G doesn't have support for 5G connectivity, and hence it could be much cheaper than the 5G variant of the phone. But this mystery will only be solved on the 10th of this December. As for RAM and storage, it will get 6GB, 8GB and 12GB RAM options and up to 256GB of internal storage. There will also be support for micro SD card slot. In a teaser posted by Chinese website Weibo, the Redmi K30 series will house a massive 64MP with the latest generation IMX686 sensor. Moreover, the camera will also come with a wide-angle snapper with 120-degree field of view, a dedicated macro lens, and a depth sensor. The front will come in a dual punch hole design for a 20MP camera coupled by another 2MP depth sensor. Other revealed specs include a 4500mAh battery with 30W fast charging. It's said it can charge the whole battery in just 1 hour. It has also revealed that the battery will be equipped with an independent charge pump and offer charging conversion efficiency of up to 97%. And one more thing guys, it has 5G dual frequency GPS for precise location. And it has 5 color options: white, blue, jade purple, red and gold. So that's it for today. If more information pops out before launch, I will let you know. But for that, you have to do one thing, and that is subscribe. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace out.